right, guys, we got a 2020 Ram 1500 Hemi 5.7. What we got done on it? So he brought it in. It was all straight piped all the way through. It was way too loud, way too much drone inside. So we took care of it for him. So we still got factory converters there and there. We added a Flow FX where the resonator usually goes, right there. Then we also added a FLOWMASTER Outlaw. Part numbers. The Flow FX is 71419. There'll be a link in the description. And the FLOWMASTER Outlaw right there. Part number 15430S. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then it's straight pipe, no resonators out the back either. There or there, they've been cut off. And it's got signature 5-inch roll tips out the back, there and there, as you guys can see. So it's a full system. So it's got the FLOWMASTER Outlaw and the FLOWMASTER FX. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, Ram 1500 4x4 Laramie. It's deeper. Still got the bite, but it's quiet. It's deeper, you know? What do you think? Good? All right. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right on 112. The FLOWMASTER Outlaw gives a really nice bite. Again. Different setup than you guys are used to. Very nice. What do you guys think of the tone? It's clean. Still got a bite. He wanted to have a bite, but not too loud. So there you go. That's the setup. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Ram 1500 FLOWMASTER Flow FX in the middle, and then a FLOWMASTER Outlaw where the muffler is. Resonator, rear resonator delete, 5-inch tips. You wanted noise, no drone, so we did that for him.